how to add page color and then print that particular page color in Microsoft Word. For that purpose, go to this page layout option, then page color option, use the desired color. That color is applied. Now when we try to print it, file, print, so here we can see that particular color is missing, and if you take the printout, it will come white printout. So how to fix that problem? Let's see. So go to the files option and then options, then display, and see here print background colors and images. Check this and then OK. Now let's try. Now we can see we can print that particular color. That's how you can print the Microsoft Word document with colored pages. Thank you.